was 500. You see me? So she tell her, say, 500 me a send it for. She did try to debate about the price. I say too expensive. So to her, say, no, 500. She said, alright, check your cash app. The same cash app on me give her for send the first money when she used the promo.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Welcome everybody. Welcome back again. Bless up on yourself before watching the video. Yes, so right about now, everybody have it for say Ivany did play a good role, you know. But deep behind closed doors a bag of things she have done with. So a girl come expose her, say she thief her, which if somebody do business with me I keep every receipt, every little thing where I can even think about, is it? So the person come with her proof and everything, right? As I say, Ivany been a robber, is it? First one here Ivany.
Yeah, you look up in something, alright. But you must say, you know, my friend, right?
No, but don't look up in nothing, because you know I tell life on certain things, but me know what I mean.
Alright.
Lava.
Oh, sick.
But me look up in something. Lava, remember me change and I should speak nothing but the truth, Lava. Understand?
So help you God. So help you God.
What you say?
Me say nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, nothing but the truth.
Alright then, I was booked for an event last night.
Well, I'm turning off the phone. I'm not there. Where? Yeah.
I was booked for an event last night. Unfortunately, the cops came and turned it off. So come on back.
The blood clot bingo. That no Lava.
Right. So I come on back now in the house.
Yeah.
I'm bored. Bored in the house, I'm in the house board. Bored in the house, I'm in the house board. Alright. So I said, okay then. That was like after one. I said, alright then, I go up on live.
Yeah.
So I go up on the live, body run come over in the morning like 2 o'clock and after 2 then time, you know. So we did you know, I go up on the live and I had a whole heap of people on the live. But I'm now a woman coming on the live now. I said she want to share a story. She said, you are a criminal. So listen carefully. She said she get in touch with you for promote something by your page. You tell her $300 for promote whatever she want to be promote. Right? So $300 was it. Then she say tell her say it's a 50-50 chance people might not follow our page if nobody not really to know her like know her. Then they inform her and tell her say you have a page to sell. And then she say, yeah. So it's like she more interested in the page. So you ask her how much the page is. No, she asks it and you tell the woman $600 for your page. Right? And she send the next $300 to you.
Yeah.
And from she send the $300 to you, not a blood clot in your ear from you. You have black hair.
That's true.
Okay.
But you know me not like for certain.
So what you say are true, so why you take the woman money and I talk.
See, and I forgot your my part, you know where I'm taking it. Where did I come see a lie Lava and a true?
Oh, true. I continue, sorry.
I'm telling you. Oh, hold on, before we start, I want the people them know so this is not a recent thing. Just understand.
She said from June.
No, for longer than that. Just understand, say, just through them say me change, a lot of people are trying to bring up some old things to make it look like a recent things.
I know that.
Look bad or make it look like me not change, so I just want to make it clear. No, I can't show my face tonight because something to my face. Lava tell the people them now say a true.
No, yeah, true shatter.
No, I call Lava already, so I can't go show my eye. Something to my eye. So anyways, that a true and a long time something and a recent something. Tell you what you're going to know. This lady texts me so she want promotion. For everybody who don't know, story promo, I do 1 week, 2 week, I always 2 week story I do. For my story, 2 week, I go 1 or 3. For my 2 week story promo, it is 35,000. For my ads, it's 45. But guess what, Gwan? A lot of people who do them ads always tell me, say, them not end up get followers. People just come view them stuff, but them not get the followers. So what I do now, I give them a 2-week promo extra with the ads. You see me? One day she come, she text me and me I explain my promotion to her and team. So she said she want the ads. You see me? Anyways, I send her somebody cash up. Because I not cash up, I have my friend cash up.
Right.
Send her the cash up, the lady send the money. She bring up the page argument, you know. Remember, say a 3-page me did have. Right now, I have 2 page because one sell. I may have proved that to the page sell. Me even did post about to make everybody know, say, yo, nobody takes the page of the promotion coming and use the page there again. Anyway, she asked me about the page and thing. I said to her, I say, you know, I don't really have no more page I sell. The only page I did have I sell. You know, the page we used to Aklava. You know, me have them page we used to ask. So what me do? Me used to just sell them. Yeah, hear me, because people in the comments say them not hear me.
So them not hear now?
Me see the comments say them not hear me.
Well, I say, people who not hear me?
Me hear you and you hear me, but me not know.
But me hear you, and you me hear you good, and you hear me though?
Me see some people say them, yeah, me hear you good. You hear me good?
Alright, I'm gonna add it back.
Alright then.
They must can't hear this now.
You hear me good?
Me hear good, loud.
Alright. So anyway, she bring up the topic, Lava, said to me, say she hears some myself pages, and if me have no page herself, I make sure no say, yeah, me used to sell page, and me never tell her, say, people page, me used to take myself, because probably that got change her mind if she did one buy one, you understand? So I never tell her that. I just make sure no say the page, me used to have, me not have them again, because the whole of them sell out. What she did was screenshot my tool, backup page them, and send me. That's before me change the name them to Barney Braces.
Yeah.
The other one was Sex Select, sister man. So she said to me, if I can sell her, because she really wanted for her business.
Okay.
So to her, I said, for 500 US, I know she get 600 from love, it was 500, you see me? So she tell her, I said, 500 me I sell it for. She did try to debate about the price, I said, too expensive. So to her, I said, no, 500. She said, alright, check your cash up. The same cash up on me gear for send the first money when she used the promo.
Yeah.
Anyways, remember I said, I do a promo video in a lab.
Oh, you did a promo? You did a promo?
Yeah, man, I do a promo.
Okay.
I go send her the video in the DM so you can post it. Because the promo video that you go because she does something for losing it. I want for people that under the comment, I still have it, not delete it. Then I archive or whatever it was name. You see me?
Okay.
So when she said me to check my cash app, I said to her, I said, hold on, I'm a friend cash app. I contact my friend for she knows if to check the cash app. You see me? Right. You know what she want to laugh? I guess what the woman wanted. The woman send some more money and want to put the rest of money there on the 300 where she said me to give her the page.
And the promotion they don't do already?
The only thing she didn't know, the video was done already, but she didn't forget the 2 weeks promo store. You understand? The video was done there, but she was also to get a store promo free. My mom tell us I'm give them a 2-week promo with the ads, because everybody get followers. So I said to her, I say, no, you can't do that. Me can't go give you the page because you don't pay for the promo, you don't get your video already, people don't view it. You know what she do? She go on my page and she screenshot the video and send it to me. And I said to me, say, I know only for people that view it, so I can just delete it and just give her the page. So I said to her, I said, no, it can't work. So what she was asking for now was a refund. So she want money. She want but the first money what she did send for the promotion along with the rest of it, with the rest of money what she did send for add up to get the page. Me tell her, I said, me can't give her back no refund because me don't collect the money. Me don't make the video and post on my page already. You understand, Lava? People don't view it, so there's no way you could get a refund. So the woman did a cuss and she go and but she want a refund. Me need to delete the video and she tell me to delete it, so me to delete it, she don't want it, blah blah, she get rude. So you know Lava, my mouth just, you know my mouth stay already, so me argue back with her and you know she disrespect me, so me start disrespect her back. So what I had to do was block her. You see me? I just block her. I'm going to go up on my other 2 pages I'm have, search for her name, and block her on the other 2 pages. Then she make one fake page, Lava. And she start to on the fake page and show me so she go put money, blah, blah, blah. She can police and kill me. And I just block her. So she takes me on a fake page, so I block her. So I never talk about it, Lava. I just did feel like I just block her and just say, I'm done with that. You see me? I told them now, I see somebody text me and send me a screenshot. I want something. I'm sending it to you. WhatsApp and I ask what is this before you call me and I explain everything. So I said to the person, say, what that? So the person said, them see it on Facebook. Somebody I said, I see them 600 US, blah, blah, blah. You know me not on Facebook, Lava. So I'm going to download Facebook now. Facebook I tell me to sign up. This is my code about that. So I'm just tell the person to screen record it and show me. But the person screen record it after you video call. I'm sending it in your WhatsApp. And I said, Lava, what is that? You call me, you explain to me, you talk. And then the person video screen record it and show me, and then in the night, me and you talk about it a while ago. So she said to me, she said she couldn't get to you to come on the live, but Lava, if she always there on your live and I watch your live, Lava, and couldn't get to join your live, why never message you same time in your DM time there? Because she there on the live, I watch the live, she know about chat on live, and she realized every time she send you a request, you never would answer, because you understand, you don't answer random request and you know what to do and the live done. So why she never come DM you them the time the Lava and tell you what go and see you could add her to the show like you add everybody else. You see me? Yeah. So that's the only reason why I need to come on the live now to make everybody know say it did happen. Right. Yeah, me get the money. I never return it to her because she disrespect me. I couldn't return it live because she did I could have returned the last money what she did send for true. The one that she did want to send for makeup and the rest by the page. I could have sent her about that for true, but I never sent her because she disrespect. No, but she never make it sound like say she did get some from a promotion from you. Yeah, man, she did send her money for promotion, you know, and she did get the ads. No, she never make it sound that weird like she did get it. Yeah, man, she get the video, but you realize I'm a page still Lava most things so from my page gone. I just fresh things to me send me. I understand, yeah. Just me not delete nothing. You see all of the video them I used to have and the picture them me not delete them, me hide them so I can go back and repost them if I want. You go see the same follow, you go see the same likes, you go see the same everything. So true me and I did that cause she never want back some of the money Lava. She did want back all like she did want back the one that she did send before, and she did one about the one that she sent after. So she not give a fuck boy if me post the video. Basically that now nothing to do with her. She just want back to all of the money and just call it out, but she couldn't get it back. And we done make the video and post it. You see me? So me and her at it, you know we have to tell each other for stuff, man. I'm a black her. When I do my black her from my real page, remember say I have my other 2 pages them, so I go on them there and my black her from my 2 pages them. She start texting on some fake page and I just block them. I never cuss with her, I just block her. So she texts me, so I block her. So now, frightened and surprised for see this, she will come make it look like I want to reset, like I yesterday make this up. You know them with the Lava? Yeah. Why she could have come long time? Because she been a watch a long time. Oh, I know she can know say. Me I go link Lava and she been there because she said she there for your live, send your request but you never did accept her. So why she could DM you and say, yo, you know, say, man, I do this and more come on the live and you're that link me. I'm going to come on the live, Lava, I'm come on the live. See, right. I remember when you link me, I say, Lava, you said to me, say, Vani. But she never make it sound. But she never make it sound till last night. She never make it sound till last night still. Yeah, me wrong. Don't get me wrong. The people that must say me wrong, come should I give her back. Yeah, me wrong. But Lava, she could have get about the money where she did send the rest the makeup for the last one. She could have get back the 300 views because me done Lava, me send you money. You go all out and you make your video. You make the video for me and you post the video for your video. Makeup and the one make the video. So how much was the last one? She sent 200 and odd. Oh, 200 and odd. Fee because Cash App would have take it. My friend tell her I stay for tell. My friend will call it the money says stay for tell. She said so extra because Cash App got video time. So you gotta give about the last one. I don't got already. You crazy Lava, you don't have that? Okay, like long time. You know you mad. And you see if me and her, you see me tell you, I would have sent it back if she never start disrespect me. You know when she start disrespect me, when I said to her say, you can't get it back, and she said to me that she want back everything. So you look like a true, I'm going to tell her and say, boy, you know, so you can't get back everything because you've been done with the video. It trigger her head. And she starts saying, what do you mean, I can't? She starts saying a bag of voice note. She had video call me and she had disrespect me and she had cussed me and she had disrespect me and most. So I just block her. Just block her and Lava. So I'm surprised when I see this now and she want to come on the live and I tell me. And I like she tell still. As I say, Lava and everything. I tell lie, but I know things like them, yeah. You know, I get me tell life and yeah, me take it, yeah, me block her for everything. Like that was okay. So it go Lava. Okay. Other and make she come talk. Yeah, me understand should I get her back and stuff, but don't go and bother them, I block her. Me don't know money to send her. I don't send her back neither and I just let it go. So how long ago was it? Because you said from June. Lava from about January. It takes a long time. Move your blood clot, Vani. Vani, move your blood clot. You can't even...
Manalai, shut and laugh, over us.
Lava, say whenever long time, you'd probably see me hide out and probably go think what life will come to. Lava, a long time, something. A long time, Lava is not just now. That's why I stated first. Say, I make it clear. I make uno know say it's not something which just happen. I mean, I want people...
The woman say from June. The woman says from June.
You know watch me, man. You know, no.
Me, yeah, only the woman, but I know go about the eye. Right? Right.
Lava do I have to hide the eye people. Don't worry about the eye. Just know Savannah come here come talk truth. Lava a lie. A long time something. That's why I'm so shocked. I'm going to have to say this. Cause let me tell you why I'm so shocked. I'm see a face. I'm going to say, all the girl talk about this, I'm going to say lava face. That's why I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to say, no, I'm going to call lava and so go on.
That's a week before I chat and laugh.
Everybody on the live last night. Remember saying, chat and live not keep on Tuesday. So I never expect you have to go live Tuesday. Tuesday, I look at things that go on in my yard. So I never did online and for the whole night before the day put family chat. You know me, Mary's.
Right.
So I never see you there like that. But this is the other life I joined the life from last night. You get me?
All right.
You need the people them to know say, yes, I did take it. Yes, I did. I never send her back. Yes, my black car and everything.
And she get piece of promotion already.
Yeah, lava. And I just
okay.
I get the money and my black car and I just the truth. So anything I show and come talk, say a fair business, I just admit to it for admit. You understand?
All right then.
I'm gonna read the one of the mix up lava. Pick up yourself and later.
All right, my friend. Let's go and see up on the live just in case you join the live.
Yeah, man, up on your live, man.
All right then.
All right.
Big up. Okay.
Good night, everyone. I never know compound life. I just did and I got my bed. Big up Risky, big up your fucking self. Due to nasty stinking pussy Ivany, big and blood clot lies as she promote my page. What page Ivany promote to me? Or what fucking wait, hold on, I'm gonna pull up my receipt because I'm not even over here for long. Hold on. Now you're trying to camera around. Hold on. I want you guys to listen to this.
You know, my foot sick. I was in bed and I dropped back asleep. To be honest, either way you take it, it's money. But for me, if I was in your case, I would buy a page. But let me explain it, because you know I'm in the business long time, so I know.
All right, pass. Samantha. Quick question. Because you black and she black, so she can't say what you say.
I'm asking you to call me over my next place, and you're not call me at talk.
No, but listen what I'm saying to you, Samantha. What's your next page?
William, good reflection.
So I'm gonna know that.
But I'm me. I have my work.
No, but probably not. Hold on there. Well, hold on. Oh boy. Me know me a crisis, you know. Some things ever reach me. Me saw like Brandy trouble out cloud. Can you cost me now? Hold on, wait, page. Good one?
Good reflection, buddy.
Hold on. Good GOOD. Some only know your page that.
Hold on, lava. Because right. Due to Ivany wicked and blood clot liar. One time me I come live, one time me I talk, and I'm gonna hear everything I'm gonna say what me have to say. Give me a second.
What? Ivany say shall see now.
Alright.
To do promotion, not saying that you won't get your followers. You will get your followers then, but sometimes it might be slow. You know, sometimes it might be slow, whatever people follow if they choose to follow, even though I can push them, try my best hard to push them, right? When you buy a page now that is very active, you will have all those type of followers on it. You will have all the views. The pages that I am selling, I get 43 views on my story, my Instagram story. I get up to 43 views, 25, sometimes 20, 15,000. You understand? On the page now, I get 100K views, 200K, 1,000 comments. From 300 comments go to 1,000 comments. And I've sold pages to a lot of people. And what people always ask, if when the pages is sell, if the people gonna unfollow. No, people is not gonna unfollow. I know how to promote it and let them stay on it. Nobody's gonna unfollow it. It's just gonna be the same. If you post
people share the life.
If you start a business on it, it's gonna be the same. And my pages, what I do, I grow them from friends. I build them, I'll grow them to a certain amount of followers, I'll sell them so that I can earn, and so that whoever buy the page can also earn from the business or whatever they're doing with it, right? My pages always go fast. Like now, I only have 3. I sold 4 yesterday. I sold one in 600 K, one in 30K, couple others, but I sell them to business people. Most people who got them yesterday was people who are doing promotion with same way now, and people who normally do promotion with me. And it's only because of you let me say I would drop the prices, because I don't really drop prices, right? Because the pages, they're very active, right? Very, very active. And people always make money from them too. So because of you, I drop the prices. Because I don't drop the prices. And you have people out there that buy pages. Because yesterday I sold a page for $800 US. Alright, so let me tell you what you can do. I've been through this a lot of times. A lot of times I've been through this. I help people. Some people want to buy page and they don't really know what they want to buy it for, what they want to do it for. You understand? I help them. So when you buy the page, and I don't know what type of business you're doing, but I have a supporter. I don't care what type of business you do. My supporters, them real. My fans, them on the page real. You understand? And one thing I like about them, no matter how much I sell pages, they never unfollow. Because what I do is when I sell pages, I don't just sell it and just don't let my fans them know. When I sell it, I say, you guys, I just sell this page, still follow it. Even more people follow the page, you understand? I always give them tips. So if you want to turn your business page into a name, help you. If you still want help along with the page, girl, I'm going to get the money where you spend. Because this morning, I go Western Union and go collect it because they get a lot of promotion paid for. A girl just buy one page from me and 2 other girls pay for promotion, so I have to go collect the money now. So I'm just going to link you for after. If you're ready to sell it after, I can go just collect everything one time and done at the Western Union. Because Western Union will close 6 o'clock out here. I'm just from 6, so I'm just collect everything one time. Oh yeah man, I was saying that you should post a picture, a nice picture or a nice video, like test it out first. Like, I just thought me approve to you, me approve to show you how the page hot. So me I say you can put up a nice picture of yourself or a little video, and you're going to see the outcome like runway and go sleep.
Hold on, stop it.
Because you in a car, and you get the page. But let me tell you why. I have to, when you, for example, when you send the money to the cash out, because I take payment to the cash out, the type of it this morning. When it's there, then I just hand over the page same time. I don't hesitate, because some people talk. I remember one time, and this girl buy a page from me. And I don't collect the money as if, even though it was cash out, but what I mean don't collect it, I don't wait to go to Western Union to collect it to hand over the page. Once I accept it to cash out, I just, send hand over the information. But she didn't tell me to delete the stuff them because she never have time to do it. So me I delete the stuff them, and the lady cost the whole long it takes to gear the page, and I was like, OMG miss, if you want the page now you could get it, but remember it's you telling me to delete the stuff, and delete the stuff takes time. And she was no, I will do it myself. Like, you think we're scammer, so you have some people out here with dark man. So as soon as them send the money, me just send them the page. So them do what them want do for themselves, them do everything. But if them want help with changing them name or do any little thing on it, I always tell them to help them out. But as soon as they pay me, just send it to give them, because some people think different. Alright, where you see edit profile, so the one that you see K's mean followers. The 300K followers is for 600 USD, 989K followers is for such and such. That when they see the K is for followers and the USD is the price. How you go by changing the name? Alright, hold on, I'm going to screenshot it and show you.
Alright, well, I still have more proof. More what your share to say. Secondly, she said, me and I do business in January. I don't know I don't contact Ivany in January. So let me show you when the money's sent and when everything happened now.
Look at that.
So the girl named Selena, right? Wanna see right here, so on
Selena,
June
for a car note, please. Oh, no, Samantha. Selena, June 30th, $300.
And you see the next one. June 30th, again, $300. So 300 plus 300 is equal how much? $600. Alright, moving along. I said to the girl, she said, "You ready for the information?" I said, you keep asking if I'm ready and you keep blocking my page and block me on here. Girl, I'm too grown for this bullshit and I never text this bitch back. Alright. Well, hold on. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you the little girl that wicked and lie. Hold on again. So the Selena girl here, when she get, I send her $300, she receive it, I screenshot it and send it to her. So my bank account there, when I send it, I transfer $300 on my saving, put it over here, and I send her the $300, which is $600.
Yeah.
Ivany tell me so she never get one of the $600 them. So I say, how you must get the first $600?
300, one of the 300, one of the 300.
Yeah. When she not get the first $300, and then you get the first $300, you don't get the second $300, right?
Yes, because every time you send it, you show me. Probably she haven't received. Let me go text her right back now, because she took so long. I had to leave and go to Western Union to collect the other people's stuff because she was taking too long.
Alright, hear what me I say now. Hear what me I say. Come never come over here so for chit chat with nobody or Ivan. Come here grown ass woman.
Whatever.
Right.
First of all, Ivan, you walk and you thief people money and you not hide your identity. Everybody know you are fucking do business with. Because if I'm doing business with you, I know me I do business with Lava, right? So if you ever thief my money, me no must know who thief my shit. Huh?
Right.
Me don't know who thief my shit. So you walk on your Jamaica act like you're this power. You have this power eternity. You don't have no fucking power because woman without a pussy don't have no power. And my understanding, according to my...
Alright guys, so at the end of the video please consider subscribing. Like, comment, share to a friend or your family, and bless up YouTube. So until next time, you know the style. I'm out.